Is the train. We're going to start making the cabin and the engine. All of this is from one single piece of MDF. I'm going to show you how to cut out one of the pieces for the engine, but you will actually need 5 in total. I'm going to show you how to cut out one of the pieces for the cabin, but you will need 4 in total before you're able to glue them together. So stage 1, make sure you've got your tools, pencil, ruler, tri-square. And the first thing you need to do is you need to mark out the length of the engine. So the length of the engine, right from the very end of your material, is 30 millimeters. Measure right from the 0, find the 3 centimeters, 30 millimeters, mark a point. What you then do is take your tri-square, make sure your tri-square is butted up right against the edge of the material. It's got to be straight. Put the metal edge against the mark that you've made and draw straight across. What you then need to do is take your material onto your bench hook. Choose which side of the bench hook you need, depending on which hand you are. I'm left-handed, so I'm going to use the left of the bench hook. And what you need to do is press your material right up against the edge of the bench hook. Hold that material in place with your weaker hand. Get your stronger hand on the saw, as close to the line as you can, maybe just a little bit to the side that you don't need to begin with. When you're cutting, try and keep your finger out onto the handle, kind of like you're holding a gun, because what that will do is it'll help you control it a little bit more and keep it straight. Second part, once you've made 5 of these, I've only made 1 so far, you start making the cabin. Same again, ruler, pencil, rule from the end, 40 millimeters, 4 centimeters, mark a point. Tri-square right up against the edge of the material, hold it steady, draw across. Once you've done that, pull it across to your bench hook, saw in your strongest hand, hold it steady with your weakest hand. All the way through. You will need to have 5 of the shorter side, 4 of the longer edge, before you can start to glue them together to create your pieces.